In this video, I decided to do a polish change for my birthday nails, and yes, they are inspired by the shorts I was wearing. Welcome and welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne. Today I'm going to do my birthday set. Yes, I decided to do a polish change and try to file down some of this encapsulated polygel I had from a previous set. I will have a little bit of the purple glitter that's encapsulated left on my nail, but as you'll see, the design I end up doing that covers it right up. So anyway, if you like nail videos or you just like seeing someone be creative, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, share this with someone, and leave me a comment, okay? So anyway, right now I'm just filing everything down, debulking it, reshaping a little bit. Like I said, this is just a polish change, so according to what I'm looking at here, I don't have any lifting, so that's good, but I still want to make this look like a brand new set. Anyway, so I'm just filing. I'll reshape here. I'm going to use polishes from Nail Reserve, Madam Glam, as well as Macart. The base coat and top coat I'll be using will be from Macart. And this is just something I just made up based off of the shorts I was wearing. If you stay tuned to the end of the video, you'll see me wearing the shorts and my fingernails up against it. So anyway, see, as I was showing you here, yeah, I tried to get as much of that old polygel down as much as possible, and I'm cleaning up the bottoms of my nails because you know, it's not just the top of your nails that gotta look right, it's the bottoms as well. Make sure they're clean and everything. And I love this little bit here because I can clean it up underneath my nails, but I can also clean up my cuticle area. And I'm doing that because I had a little bit of polish left that was peeking through, so I just drilled that off. I do buff it off camera, and here I am going in with that Macart base nail polish. So anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys watch. It's pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to go ahead and leave some music on. All products will be linked in the description box. There are affiliate links for Nail Reserve as well as Madam Glam available to you to check out. Go ahead and use my discount code because that will, of course, allow you to save at at Madam Glam and at Nail Reserve. And the other products I use are in my Amazon storefront. Okay, so enjoy, and I'll see you towards the end. we're almost at the end. Now I'm going in with my cart top coat, and as you notice on my right hand, I decided to reverse how I put on the polish. Instead of going in with the base coat and then the glitter from Madam Glam, I decided to leave the glitter until about last. So that's why it looks slightly different for my left hand, but I love it. And then the top coat here. And so anyway, if you like this, if you like being creative, you like doing your nails, you're a beginner at nails, you're a nail enthusiast, you're self-taught like me, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, and please give this video a thumbs up. And as you can see, those are the shorts I was wearing. Look how those colors blend right on in. It's just so beautiful. I love the colors, and if you know me, you know I love some purple. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you go ahead and share it with someone. If you enjoyed it, leave me a comment. Turn on those notifications if you subscribed. And other than that, roses, I will talk to you later. Bye.